Hello, welcome to oniro-with-zyga. I will show you how to define targets inside HawkBit. To follow along, you will need a running HawkBit instance. You can set one up by watching my previous video. First, go to the HawkBit Dashboard and click on the Deployment Management icon on the left. There are several elements on screen. Focus on the Targets panel. You can close the Filters panel on the left to gain extra space. Recall that HawkBit models devices, packages, and sets of packages. Targets is the word used to represent devices. To define a new target, click on the plus icon at the top of the Targets panel. The most important property of a target is the controller ID. The controller ID is a unique identifier for a given device inside HawkBit. You can follow nearly any naming pattern you want. I will use QEMU x86-64-1 in this tutorial. The -1 suffix tells me that this is the first device of this kind in my fleet. You can also provide a name and a description if you want. When you are ready, click the Save button to continue. In a future video, I will show you how to define a target non-interactively by using the command line. Notice that HawkBit has generated a security token for our new device. We will need this token later, during device provisioning. There is one more step we have to do inside HawkBit. Our toy instance, by default, will refuse to talk to any device. There are several possible means of authentication, but in this tutorial, we'll use device-specific tokens. Click on the System Configuration icon on the left, and then scroll to the Authentication Configuration section. Click on the checkbox next to the Allow targets to authenticate directly with their target security token. This allows a device with a valid token to talk to the instance. You can now define targets inside the HawkBit dashboard and use token-based authentication. Join me in the next video where I will show you how to configure the virtual machine we've used earlier to talk to HawkBit. Thanks for watching and see you soon.